Hello again. Today we are going to talk about a controversial nutrient because some people say it is a nutrient, some say it's not. And today we are going to talk about alcohol. This is the nutrient description series. I am Tommy, and today we are going to talk about the digestion and absorption and a little bit of the metabolism of the alcohol. So let's start. As first question, is alcohol a nutrient? Yes it is. But it can be also a toxic component depending on the doses. So, why is it a nutrient? Because it brings us energy. To be specific, 7 calories per gram. So, as it's giving us energy, it's considered a nutrient. Because remember, a nutrient is something we ingest that can give us either energy, plastic function, or regulatory function inside our body. So yes, alcohol is a nutrient, but it has some side effects if we ingest too much of it. We have two types of alcohol, fermented or distilled alcohol. I think you all know what fermented alcohol is. It's like beer and wine. And distilled, well, we have whiskey, gin, and so on. Type of consumption: safe, less than 20 grams or 30 a day. This the lower value is for women, and the higher is for men. So in women less than 20, men less than 30 grams a day. This is safe. Excessive is less than 40 and 50. And very high, more than 50 grams a day in women and more than 70 grams a day in men. That's very, very high. So basically we absorb alcohol via facilitated diffusion absorption. And we can absorb it in the stomach as well, which is very different from the standard because absorption tends to occur in the intestine. Once it gets in the blood, the 90% of it is biotransformed into the liver, and 10% is eliminated through the urine. I have to mention that not all the alcohol is absorbed, and some of it is excreted in the feces as well. The metabolism of alcohol, well, we start with ethanol. This occurs in the liver. Ethanol is converted into acetaldehyde, and we have 3 enzymes that can go through this process. We have the alcohol dehydrogenase, and it uses NAD positive and creates NADH, and then acetaldehyde. We have the microsomal ethanol oxidizing enzyme that uses NADPH and oxygen and creates NADP positive and water. And the catalase using the H2O2 and creating 2 molecules of water. Acetaldehyde is then converted into acetate using the acetaldehyde dehydrogenase. This is an enzyme that uses NAD positive and creates NADH. As you can see here, the dehydrogenase enzyme, NAD positive, NADH as well. And then acetate is converted into acetyl-CoA using a thiokinase and a coenzyme A. And this is the metabolism of ethanol. This is the hepatic biotransformation we talked about earlier. And then with acetyl-CoA we can do many things. If you watch the videos of my playlist about the metabolism, you know that acetyl-CoA can go either to the Krebs cycle to create NADPH and FADH2s, and then to the electron transport chain to create ATP and get energy from it. It can also create fats using the citrate, but you have to know it has different functions, and if you want to know them, check my playlist where I talk about acetyl-CoA in many videos. Okay, so that was it for the alcohol metabolism. I hope you understood how the digestion and absorption and metabolism of alcohol work in our body. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to talk about vitamins and minerals in the next videos. They are very, very important. I want you to know them. Like the video if you did, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, please, and see you on the next one. Don't drink too much. Bye.